Have you ever pondered, does wealth equate to happiness? A question as old as time, yet intriguing every time it's asked. Picture this: a man named Rajat Gupta, an esteemed member of the financial world, a philanthropist, and a man of influence. Despite his affluent status and respect among his peers, his heart yearned for more. He yearned for a seat among the illustrious billionaires, and this yearning led him to an infamous hedge fund manager, Raj Rajaratnam. This association led Gupta down a path of insider trading, fraud, and ultimately, a 2-year prison sentence. Gupta's tale is a stark reminder of the potential pitfalls of wealth and the relentless pursuit of more. Now one might think, the more money I have, the happier I will be. Yet that's a misconception. The pursuit of wealth can often lead to a vicious cycle of wanting more, leading to unhappiness and stress. The reason lies in our innate tendency to compare ourselves to others, to feel the need to prove our worth through material possessions. This was the downfall of not just Gupta, but also magnates like Rockefeller, who despite their enormous wealth were left unsatisfied, often resorting to unethical means to accumulate more. The key to contentment lies not in the quantity of wealth, but in one's perspective towards it. It's about being grateful for what one possesses, and not letting ego or social status dictate one's decisions. Spending on genuine happiness rather than the illusion of it is essential. Having personal goals and standards, instead of comparing oneself to others, can lead to true contentment. Let us now delve into the confounding world of compounding, one of the 18 lessons about money from The Psychology of Money. This concept highlights the power of earning interest over time. Small additions can lead to considerable outcomes, a phenomenon beautifully illustrated by nature and history. Take the case of Warren Buffett, a man whose wealth is a testament to the power of compounding. Most of his fortune was amassed after he turned 50, a result of his early start in investing and his consistent efforts. His life, as he puts it, is akin to a snowball rolling downhill, growing larger with time. This highlights the importance of patience and consistency in financial success. Small actions over time can have a profound impact, whether positive or negative. Saving for retirement from a young age, investing in a diversified portfolio, can lead to the accumulation of wealth over time, thanks to the power of compounding. On the other hand, delaying savings or living beyond one's means can lead to compounding debt, a difficult situation to recover from. Which brings us to the next point, the difference between getting wealthy and staying wealthy. Many focus on the former, ignoring the latter, which requires a blend of frugality and paranoia. Optimism and risk-taking are crucial in building wealth, but preserving wealth requires a different set of skills altogether. In summary, wealth and happiness are not synonymous. The pursuit of wealth can often lead to an insatiable desire for more, causing stress and unhappiness. The key to contentment lies in one's perspective towards wealth, in being grateful for what one has, and spending on genuine happiness. The power of compounding, patience, and consistency are vital in financial success. And lastly, building wealth is just one part of the equation. Maintaining it is equally, if not